In this video, we will be explaining how to use the Festoon Pro Catenary Wire and Festoon Pole accessories. The Catenary Wire is better suited to support the lights in permanent installs, whilst the Festoon Poles are better for temporary displays since they're portable. They're also more decorative. To start with, we will show you how to set up and use the Catenary Wire. The Catenary Wire is used along the light string to support them when suspended over long distances. This is to prevent damage to the cabling. We're using festoons, but you can display any lights with this wire. If you don't use the Catenary Wire, then having your lights displayed unsupported could create excess stress and pull on the light cable. Attach the first end of the wire to your chosen starting point. We've wrapped it around the tree, but you could use hooks, screws or nails depending on where you want your lights. The festoons we're using in this video have hooks on each bulb, making it much easier to attach them to the wire. If your lights don't have a hook, then you can cable tie the lights to the wire to hold them in place and stop them moving. We would suggest placing a cable tie every 1 metre. Now, the last thing you need to do is attach the end of the wire to the last point of your display. If you need to cut the wire, do so once you have attached between the 2 points to make sure you have enough length. Festoon poles are used to swag your lights over a large distance. These are simple to assemble. There are 3 pieces that all slot together. There's a bottom with a spike, a top with a hook, and a middle section for extra length. We're only using the hooked piece and the spiked piece, making the overall height 5 feet. Simply push in the lock mechanism and slide one pole into the other. Next, stake it into the soft ground and use the step to press it in with your foot. We would use these poles every 3 metres to give a nice draped effect. Then, finally, hang your lights from the pole. You can wrap them around to make them a little tighter. The pole has 2 heights you can use. The first is 5 feet and the second is 8 feet. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below.